Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6 and we would like to present our mini project on the subject Computer Network. We are given the instructions by lecturer on the ULearn to configure this network topology. So we have 8 requirements to be made, and it is including DHCP config, VLAN config, ACL and RIP. So let us start with the first requirement, which is addressing. So as you can see here, I already divided the IP address for its owner. So for purple, we start with 172.6.0.0, and green we start with 172.6.64 and 0. Okay, so I using the B class VLSM subnetting for the branch side, and the HQ side I'm using the C class VLSM subnetting, which is full class. So I already assigned IP for the host. So the next requirement 2 is for VLAN. So as you can see here, I'm already put the blue, red and orange VLAN in the switch. You can see here, enable, so show VLAN brief. So as you can see, for switch 1 we have blue, red and orange, which is VLAN 10, VLAN 20 and VLAN 30. So for switch 2, see, we also have blue, red and orange VLAN. And for switch 3, you can see there is red and orange VLAN 20 and VLAN 30. So that's all from my requirement.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is WANI BINTI SHAHYU. I am from 2 BIZZATI S1G2. So today I will demonstrate the requirement 3 and 4, which is assigning switch ports to VLANs and configure router for inter-VLAN routing.
Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is HAZIQ HILMI bin ROZALI from the IZZATI with the matrix number B0320101121, and I'll be doing requirement 6, which is configuring DHCP. The maximum number of users is 5 because there are 8 subnets. So 1 for network address, 1 for broadcast, and 1 for gateway. Now configuring the DHCP relay at branch 2 using IP helper address command. That's it for me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm IZZATI HUSNA binti AFFRINDI with my matric number B0320101028. Now we will continue to configure the DNS server, web server and mail server. First, go to this purple server. On services, go to DNS. Make sure the DNS service is on. Then we need to enter the name for the resource record. I have entered this, which is group6.utem.edu.my, and the address of the web server, which is 192.168.6.146. Then we click Add. Next, go to email. Make sure both services is on. Enter the domain name. I have entered this, which is group6mail.utem.edu.my. Next, you need to set up the user. I have set up user 1, user 2, user 3, user 4 and user 5. Make sure you click this button after you entered username and password. Next, we will try to send an email between two PC, which is this PC and this PC. First, we need to configure mail. Go to email, configure mail, and you need to enter the user information. For this P1, I entered as user1, the email address, the incoming and outgoing mail server. We get it from this server, which is 172.6.0.2, the username, password, and save. Next, go to this PC, repeat the same process, which is configure mail. For this PC G2, I use user2 as the name and email. The same incoming and outgoing mail server, enter username, password, and save. Now we will try to compose an email. We will send an email to user1. Click send. Then you will see this send success. Next, go to this PC, email, and receive. Here you can see the user have successfully received an email from G2. Next, we will build a web page. Go to web server. On services, go to HTTP. Make sure both services is on. Then you need to import files for your web page. Go to import. Select the files that you want it to appear on your web page by clicking the file and open. And it will be added here. Next, go to index. Edit the coding here according to your web page. As you can see, this is the title of the web page, and this is the file that I have imported. After you are done, click save. Go to any PC, web browser, and you can search for the web server IP address. And the web page will be shown. You also can go to the web page using the domain name, which is this. And the web page will still appear. That's all from me. Thank you.